Hi guys, welcome to a whole new vlog. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make Chinese food. We've been craving it, but we're just too scared to buy it outside somewhere from a restaurant. So I'm gonna go ahead and invent one today. I'm gonna do it with egg noodles. These are the egg noodles I use. I'm gonna be using lobster today. I have like half a bag. For now, I am making rice. I am making white rice. I'm sure you guys know how to make white rice. Here. Okay, to my white rice, the only thing I do add, I fry it a little bit with olive oil and I add garlic salt. I'm going to be adding a little bit of garlic salt here. And I kind of mix it around a little bit. And then I just add the water and cover it. Right now I'm boiling some water so I can have the noodles ready. I'm getting ready to put the egg noodles. I'm getting ready to put them in the boiling water. I am going to start off with putting some olive oil, of course. Put olive oil. And I'm gonna fry the veggies first. Remember I showed you guys how I keep my veggies. I have them cut up already and they'll be ready to just toss them in there. I already put the oil. Putting the veggies in there. They're nice and cut up. For the veggies, I'm only going to add black pepper. And the reason that I'm only adding black pepper is because the mix I'm going to make, it goes with soy sauce. It's water, soy sauce, and cornstarch. And the soy sauce is already salty as it is. So I'm just going to put a little bit of black peppers to my veggies. And then I'm also going to use turmeric. I use this for a lot of foods. It gives it nice color and flavor. And it's very good for your health. I'm going to show you guys how I do my mix. I showed you guys with the beef broccoli recipe. Just going to add water. I'm going to do the whole bottle of water with soy sauce, and cornstarch. There you go. Just mix it around a little bit. I'm gonna have it ready so when I have to throw it in there, I will. I totally forgot to mention this. The diced garlic from Costco. And we keep it in the refrigerator. If I could open it. Okay, I'm gonna put some of it in the veggies. I covered them for a little bit and they're almost done. And I'm going to cut up some onion as well. Garlic and onion really gives it a whole other flavor, guys. So I put a little bit of diced garlic in there. The only thing that I'm not putting in the veggies is garlic salt, like any type of salt, because the soy sauce, it's already very salty as it is. I'm going to cut up some onion. I already cut up some onion, guys, in pieces, so I'm just going to throw it in there so I can fry it with the veggies. There you go. I'm going to go around and around. The rice is almost done. I'm going to go ahead and add the lobster. And I have half a packet left of lobster. It's small little lobster tails, what we call langostino in Spanish. So I'm going to mix that around. Put a little bit more pepper, that we they get seasoned. I'm gonna mix that around with the veggies. I did add some garlic, some diced garlic, and some onion. So that's how it's looking, if you guys could see. I'm gonna add a little bit of turmeric here. And I'll add more as I'm going. I'm gonna go ahead and add the egg noodle in there. This is how it looks, guys. That way I can add the mix. I haven't made this recipe in a long time, which is, you know, the noodles with veggies and some type of seafood with the mix I make. I'm gonna go ahead and add the mix now. It's gonna go all around. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit and then I'm gonna cover it. The rice it looks ready. I'll show you guys when everything's nice and ready. This is how it turned out. That's the Chinese food and this is the white rice. It looks and smells really good, so we'll go ahead and have Willie try it and my girls.